Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Jones's House. Do you have any reservation?
No, I don't have.
May I suggest a table for you, please?
Yes, please.
This way, please. Will this table be satisfactory?
Okay. Thank you.
May I lay the table napkin on your lap?
Yes, please.
May I take your order, ma'am?
I would like to have a glass of wine. Can you suggest a wine for me?
Yes, ma'am. We have different wine available here. I would like to suggest our best-seller wine, Malaga wine. It is one of the rich and old fortified wine after town Malaga, Spain. It is a very good wine to order, ma'am.
Okay, I would like to order that wine, please.
I would like to repeat your order. Your order is Malaga wine. Did I get your order right, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Okay, ma'am. Please excuse me while I prepare your order. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your order. Your order is Malaga wine, one of the rich and old fortified wine after town Malaga, Spain. Here is the code for your evaluation.
Okay.
Step na- May I pour an amount of your wine for your evaluation? Wine for your evaluation. May I pour some more wine for you, ma'am?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Enjoy your wine, ma'am.
Please prepare my bill.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bill. How did you find our service?
The service is excellent.
Thank you, ma'am. I am glad that you are very satisfied with our service. By the way, I received 1,000 pesos. For a moment while I prepare your change.
Start.
Excuse me, here is your change. Thank you for coming to Jones Bar. Hope to see you soon.